satisfying.
It's hot. Hey guys, if you haven't seen our faces before, I'm Sid and I'm Shayla, and we got a special guest. Woo! Hey guys, it's me. It's Safiyah. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to Vlogmas Day 5. It's time. In today's video, we're gonna be baking cookies. These are my two little sisters, by the way. But this one here likes to bake, and she makes some good cookies. And she got a little cookie order, so now we're baking to make that order. We have to make 4 dozen cookies. We're doing 2 different flavors, 2 dozen chocolate chip, 2 dozen skor. And you guys are gonna make with us. So let's get to it. First steps.
First, let me wash my hands.
Yeah. Dirty.
Stop, let me touch my food.
Okay, we're starting with a whole lot of butter. Literally a whole lot of butter because this is hella butter. But butter make it taste better. We came back from the store hours ago and she never put the butter in the fridge. And now she's like, the butter's just melting.
I never said it like, oh no, why is that happening? I just said it because it's sticking to the wrapper.
Whole lot of butter. And we're gonna heat this. How are we doing this? On low?
No, medium.
Medium. Ooh, 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 ooh. Look, Diggy. Even better than Mama.
No. We wait till it gets brown.
See how unhealthy cookies are? Like, look how much butter this is.
Very unhealthy.
Yeah. I'm still gonna eat 4, but like... Okay, next. We got some brown sugar.
I don't want it to.
Splash.
Yeah.
So, okay. Okay, she got burnt.
It's okay, I'm good.
I was about to say, so guide it with the spoon. I have the urge to break it up. Like this, like this.
Oh.
It's packed in there.
Right?
Can I break it up?
1 second.
Oh, and some white sugar. Whole lot of sugar. Whole lot of butter. Whole lot of blah, 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 blah. Whole lot of butter. Whole lot of sugar. I can do it now?
Yes.
Like, look at it just slowly soaking up. You can mix it up. Satisfying. And it actually smells so good. Like, I would literally just eat this. That's terrible.
That's disgusting.
Yeah, that would be gross actually, but it looks like it'd be kind of good.
It looks good and it smells so good.
Yeah, it smells really good. I wish you guys could smell it through the screen.
She came and crushed the yolk. How am I supposed to pour 2 yolks in here? She came over here and started tapping the bowl. How is that an accident? I'm gonna do the water bottle tactic they use on 5-minute crafts.
Oh my goodness, scary.
But I have to finish my water. Is that yours, water?
Mm-hmm.
So it's gonna finish before mine.
It's not as bad last time, so actually it is.
Please carefully attempt.
Oh, you're gonna make me try?
Yes.
Oh my goodness, guys. Guys, I'm gonna try that 5-minute crafting. I'm scared. Why did she make this my job? Nope, it broke. I gasped at first because it was working, but then it broke in half.
Just try, like, eyeball it. Or half it. Change of plans.
No, you watch too, so that it's not only my fault.
You think that's good? Okay.
Think so?
Yeah. That's fine.
But
yourself a merry little Christmas night. And have yourself a merry little Christmas.
Toast break. Okay, vanilla.
Vanilla. That's what you ordered. Where's that from? Comment down below where that's from.
She's telling me I know and I don't.
Oh shoot.
Don't say oh shoot over the cookies.
Can I taste it?
No.
Have you tasted it before?
No, I haven't.
Okay, I'm gonna taste
What
it.
taste of what?
There's sugar and butter.
I mean, the brown is kind of nice. I tried it the first time because
It's hot.
Oh, that's so. That is so good.
Flour.
She starts smirking. She said,
Ooh, that
Right?
taste is even better.
it's really good. Anyways, what?
Wait, let me get this
3
to
cups?
your level. No, this is your level.
And have yourself a merry little Christmas. Up, 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 up. We go, we go, we go, we go, we. Up, 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 up. We go, we go, we go, we go.
Guys, we started this video high energy. Now the energy is on the ground. But honestly, it's bedtime. What time is it now? It's literally 11:08, 11 o'clock at night. We have 2 batches of cookies left to put in the oven. I have a whole YouTube video to edit. That goes up tomorrow, and I have a busy day tomorrow. These are looking real good though. And these are the finished cookies. Whole lot of cookies. Yup. So we officially made 48 cookies. Took 48 hours.
Right?
Not really, but like felt like it. Wait, what time do we start? I swear we started at like 6 o'clock. So I think I said, yeah, well, let's meet back downstairs by 6:10, 6:15. So we started at like 6:30 p.m. And like I said, it's 11 o'clock at night. Anyways, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed baking cookies with us. It was a good time, in the beginning at least. But it was a good time. And yeah, we're clocked out for the day. So make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok to get triple the content from me. And I'll see you guys tomorrow with Vlogmas Day 6. Bye.